If you have a keychain on here, you don't have to take it off. All you have to do is slide this out, and then you can set that to the side. You see this little space right here? That's what we're going to use to pry open the key fob. So I like to use a nickel on this one. It fits in there nicely, and all we have to do is put it in there and then get a good grip on it without pushing the buttons, and then twist it. And once you twist it, it's going to pop it open nicely with a nickel. And so that way we can just open it up like so. And you can see there's two halves here. We can get rid of the other half. And then here is the battery. Now you'll notice that the battery is hooked in on this side here. It's a CR2032. It's hooked in on this side, and then these are kind of spring-loaded. So you can use these basically on this side. Really, all you have to do is just pull it with your finger, like so. But just make sure you don't pry up on anything on this side, because these little tabs will break off. And then when you put the new one in, you push it in this way, put it underneath those tabs, like so, and then you push down on that side. So it's very easy in this particular one, because you can use your hand to easily pop it out. And make sure these little tabs are all the way secure over top of the battery on both sides. And then these are as well. Make sure it's in there good. And then you get the other half when you're done. And you kind of put it together like so without pushing the buttons. And you just press it, and it'll basically snap all the way around. And then make sure that it's flush all the way around and secure. And then you can put your key back in, and then you're all done.